Join me as I take on the crazy challenge of filming a movie without using a camera. Let's see if I can pull it off. I've always been fascinated by the art of storytelling and the magic of bringing a script to life on screen. But what if I told you that I've taken it to the next level by attempting to create an entire movie without using a single camera? It sounds crazy, I know, but bear with me, because it's been an incredible journey so far. The idea sparked in my mind a few weeks ago when I was brainstorming unique concepts for my channel. I wanted to push the boundaries of creativity and see how far I could stretch my imagination. And then it hit me. What if I created a movie using alternative methods that don't require a camera at all? From that moment on, I was hooked. I started researching, experimenting, and brainstorming ways to bring this unconventional project to life. It hasn't been easy, let me tell you. There have been plenty of setbacks, failures, and moments of pure frustration. But that's all part of the fun, right? When people ask me what it was like making a movie without a camera, I always tell them it was like trying to solve a puzzle blindfolded. You have to rely on your other senses, trust your instincts, and hope that everything falls into place. And you know what? It's been an absolute blast. But enough about that. Let's get to the fun part. I've got some hilarious stories to share with you about the challenges I faced during this project. Like the time I tried to create a scene using only sound effects and ended up with a bunch of silly noises that sounded like a cat chasing its tail. Or how about the moment when I realized I had to recreate an entire set using only cardboard boxes and paint? It was like being back in kindergarten, minus the nap time and snacks. Let me tell you, it was a real challenge, but I learned so much from it. And then there were the times when I had to rely on my friends and family to help me out. I'd ask them to do the craziest things, like making animal noises or pretending to be a tree in the background. They'd look at me like I was crazy, but they'd do it anyway. As we move on to the core of the video, I want to showcase some of the creative ways I brought this movie to life. From animated sequences to storytelling through shadows, I'll show you how I managed to create an entire cinematic experience without a single camera. Imagine being transported to a fantastical world where dragons soar through the skies and magic flows like water. That's what I aim to create with this project, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let me take you through some of the scenes that really stood out to me. Like the epic battle between good and evil, where I used a combination of sound effects and descriptive narration to bring the action to life. Or the romantic dinner scene, where I used clever lighting and clever camera work. Wait, no camera, to create an intimate atmosphere. It's amazing how much you can evoke with just a few simple tools and a lot of imagination. One of the most surprising moments for me was when I realized how much emotion you can convey through music alone. I mean, we've all seen movies where the score makes us feel all the feels, but this was on a whole different level. As we near the end of this video, I want to ask you, what do you think? How would you film a movie without a camera? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and who knows, maybe we can collaborate on a future project together. Now, I want to take you to the grand finale of this movie, the moment that will leave you speechless. It's a twist that will blow your mind, and it's something I'm incredibly proud of. Are you ready? That's a wrap, folks. Making a movie without a camera has been an incredible adventure, and I'm so glad I got to share it with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.